I'm Dr. Mark Biddle, Dean of Sophia Theological Seminary. You can't see me, but you're probably glad about that. This is the Thursday before Thanksgiving, and we're on Sophia Farms, the Theological Seminary's sister institution, gathering our harvest. With me are Dr. Melissa Jackson, one of our faculty, Paul Irwin, one of our trustees and most reliable volunteers, Steve Bowen, a good friend and volunteer, our farm steward, Kathy Sherida, who's not looking up because she's she's determined. And now, pardon me, I'm walking. And another one of our trustees, Nelson Taylor. We're posting this, although we're making it a week before Thanksgiving, we're posting it Thanksgiving Eve, and want to include not only our Thanksgiving greetings and well wishes, but would like to offer us a brief prayer.
Creator God, for daily bread, and all who work to bring you harvest home, we bring our thanks today. Forgive our ingratitude, we who have so much, yet waste what you have given. For those whose harvest is poor, whose crops have withered, water tainted, children starved, help those who bring relief and bestow on us an unaccustomed generosity, that all might share from your garden and all might sing your praise. Creator God, provider of all, we bring our thanks today.